Hello, I am Vikas Mehta, based currently in Dehradun. I've worked for 3 decades in Southeast Asia, Far East, Middle East, South Asia, and now what I do is I share my experiences teaching marketing and marketing related courses. I have come to Firebird not the first time, this is maybe the third or the fourth time, and I really enjoy teaching the students here. I look forward to doing the same this year too.
One of the good things that I have discovered at Firebird is that the students are exposed to the ALP program, which simply means while learning, you also need to have practical experience. So they go for their internship. The Firebirdians, therefore, are not just into theory, but also into practical experience. So they're industry ready. They can hit the ground running. And for us teachers, when they come back, they actually ask us a lot of questions because now they have seen what they apply in real life, what they have learned, they apply in real life, and therefore they're eager to find out some answers. It's a great thing. It's a great experience. And for me, I come from Dehradun. I come all the way down from the north to the south of the country. For me also, it's a great learning because I get exposed to a different culture, a different way of thinking for the student. So it's a great experience. Firebirdians really, make me feel invigorated, make me feel more excited. And I find the whole experience coming down here to be just fabulous.